how to turn off TikTok notifications on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we go back to the Settings page. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. After that, we then scroll down and then tap on TikTok. From here, tap on Notifications. Then tap on Allow Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn off TikTok notifications completely on your iPhone, or you can switch it on and set a schedule summary so that it will send out TikTok notifications at a certain scheduled time throughout the day. Now, the TikTok app also allows you to granularly customize each of the notification items. So if you open up TikTok here and then go to Profile at the bottom, tap on it. So once you're in Profile, tap on the menu button at the top here, and then we tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to the Content and Display section and tap on Notifications. In here, you can turn off notifications for things such as likes, comments, new followers, profile views, and so on. So scroll down here, there are a lot of different items that you can turn off or turn on in regards to notifications. Okay, so simply go through here and make the necessary adjustment. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that is how you can turn off TikTok notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.